Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Klaiyihair. Inside of my package I received a HD wig cap, some false press on nails, a band for the lace, and some clips for the hair. And of course I like to show you guys right out of the packaging what I have. This here is the clip for the hair, which makes it a glueless wig. I'll show you guys how to put it on later. I also received some lace tape. As you guys can see, the hair comes already pre-curled for you, pre-plucked, and the knots are pre-bleached. And also, the lace is pre-cut too as well. Everything is pretty much done for you already, which I love so much. I love that I don't have to pluck. As you guys can see, that looks like scalp. Right out of the packaging is already melted for you. Here is where you put that band, which I was showing you guys, and you just slide it in. It's really quick and easy, and this is how you basically put it on, and you do the both on both sides. It definitely has some comfortability to it. It has some stretch, and even if you want to adjust it for your liking, you can definitely do that too as well. In the back, you do still have your adjustable straps, which I like because I still like my adjustable straps, just in case I don't want to use the band that I was just showing you guys, okay? But the band is really good because this is a glueless wig. As far as the lace, this is a 7x5 lace. I'm going to show you guys more up close so you guys can see. With this lace here, you do get a lot of room of lace. You do have some versatility to it. As you guys can see, it is melted like I was saying in the beginning of the video. Like, look at that. Because of this wig being a glueless wig, I'm only going to use some spray to help with the meltdown. So I just clip my hair back, and I'm using this spray right here. It's basically like holding spray. So yeah, I'm using this as my adhesive. It works really good, especially for my glueless wigs, okay? It's something that you can quickly use. You don't have to do too much. It's basically quick and easy, and then after that, I go ahead and grab like a band for the lace, and I stay that band on for at least a minute or two. The longer you put it on, the more that it can really be melted down. It's really up to you. This is a 7x5 room of lace, so the lace doesn't go all the way ear to ear. It pretty much stops before your sideburns stop. So if you want to take out your sideburns, like your actual sideburns on your real hair, you can. But to me, I like it even though that the lace doesn't go all the way down, if that makes sense. I had to throw in that extra clip so you guys can have basically a reference of what I was talking about. So yeah, hopefully you guys can understand it and you got the picture of it. But other than that, the lace looks really, really good. It melts down naturally. I did not do any plucking or cutting. And then after that, I just grabbed my hot comb and I just pressed down certain areas for my liking just to mold everything in its place. The middle part was really cute. I also did in a side part too, so you guys can see the versatility of this unit. Even though this is a 7x5, you do get a lot of lace. Like, the lace really goes back far, so it's a lot that you can do. It's really cute. The curls stayed in. I just sprayed it with some holding spray, and that was about it, y'all. Like, the curls was giving. And then after that, I decided to do a side part so you guys can see how it looks on the side and how much room of lace that you do get. Like I was saying, the lace does go far back, so you can part it in a deep side part, or you can do your bust down middle part, as the girlies say. So I adjust it to the side so you guys can see how that looks too as well. Also, when you're about to split out the curls, make sure that you're using a wide tooth comb, or just use your hands, your fingers, like you guys were just seeing me do. I would highly, highly recommend using that instead of a brush, because sometimes brushes make the curls look super poofy, and we want to still have the curls, stay in its place. So use your fingers or a wide tooth comb is what I would recommend.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
One thing I will say about this hair is very easy to curl. The curls that it came with, I definitely stayed how the curls was. I didn't do too much of styling because, like I said, this wig already came adjusted for me, which I really like because, you know, doing hair already takes so much time. So having this wig saved me a lot of time. I got a lot of compliments. The curls and the highlights are perfect. The way that they highlighted this wig was beautiful. It's a 10 out of 10 for me as far as the coloring, the lace, the quality, everything was amazing. So shout out to Klaiyihair for another beautiful unit. This color always give grown and sexy. I love it so much. All of the details will be listed down below. Again, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.